Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by parking level and engaging the brake. Safety first. Once done, disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts while you work. Next, remove interior trim around the antenna base using a trim pry and a Phillips screwdriver. This exposes the mounting nut and coax connector. Make sure to keep screws organized, label them if needed. You're removing the 10 mm mounting nut next, while supporting the antenna from above so it doesn't fall into the roof. Now you support the antenna so it can't drop, then use the 10 mm wrench to loosen the mounting nut, work counterclockwise and keep steady pressure. Once the nut is off, gently unplug the coax connector. If the connector is corroded, clean with electrical contact cleaner before proceeding so signal quality isn't compromised. Pull the mast and base out together, rotating slightly to clear clips. After removal, clean the mounting flange and surrounding paint to ensure a snug, watertight fit for the new part. Install the new antenna by feeding the coax through the roof hole and seating the base. Hand tighten the 10 mm nut, then torque to the manufacturer's spec so you don't strip threads. Reconnect the coax firmly and reassemble the trim panels. Once done, reconnect the battery negative terminal and test radio reception across AM and FM bands. Move the mast if adjustable. If reception is poor, make sure ground points are clean, and use a multimeter to check connector continuity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.